So interestingly, when Canada gets good grades in community in the built environment, in school infrastructure, in organized sport opportunities and so on, it's interesting that we still get among the lowest grades and a failing grade when it comes to overall physical activity levels. So there seems to be some sort of disconnect between the environment and the opportunities the environment might provide and the actual behaviors of kids. This may be perpetuated by our very low grade in sedentary behaviors where we've received a failing grade. And certainly it's well known in Canada and many developed countries around the world that our kids are spending much too much time in front of screens. And perhaps this is at the expense of incidental play opportunities, movement opportunities, or even organized sport type opportunities. So we have relatively high grades in infrastructure and environmental supports, and relatively low grades in the actual behaviors that we're trying to change with those particular environments.